Teniente General Juan Martin Palio, Chief of the Joint Staff of the Argentina Armed Forces, who is on official visit to Pakistan, called on General Nadeem Raza, Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee at Joint Staff Headquarters, Rawalpindi, today. Matters of bilateral defense cooperation including security, military exchanges, training and prevailing regional environment were discussed during the meeting. Chief of the Joint Staff of the Argentina said that these mutually beneficial interactions have deepened the bilateral defense relationship, strengthened the cooperation and enhanced mutual understanding between the two armies. Chairman JCSC reaffirmed the strong and long-standing bilateral defense relationship between Argentina and Pakistan. Earlier, upon arrival at Joint Staff Headquarters, Teniente General Juan Martin Palio was presented guard of honor by a smartly turned-out contingent of Pakistan Armed Forces.